We are about to go on the Jimmy's Memorial Ride. Join us. Hey, I'm in the backyard. I'm getting ready to head out for Jimmy's Memorial Ride. This is Jimmy's Old Town Tavern. He does this every year, puts on a great ride. I don't even know how many people are going to come. Last year there was damn near 100. Was that a swear word? I don't know. Anyway, it's a lot of fun. I'm going to run the Insta360 on the ride. We're going to go up to Georgetown Pike, down towards DC. We're going to take the GW Parkway and end up near the Vietnam Memorial. And then we'll head back. Some of the folks are going to go over to Crystal City. I think I'm going to head back and visit Jimmy's for some great food and eats. I'm going to try to take some pictures along the way. Got my trusty camera. There's Skipper in the back waiting for me to take off so we can run the house. And it's going to be a lot of fun. So about 100 of us were riding, took some shots of the groups at Jimmy's Old Town Tavern. Lots of fun, some folks along the way. Got into DC, took some shots of some of the memorials there. Wonderful place. It was a wonderful afternoon, sunny, warm. Vietnam Memorial, of course, which was sort of the end of there. Then, of course, watching Rolling to Remember coming on by, massive amounts of bikes, and of course the iconic Saluting Marine. This was Tim Chambers. He's an icon there, and we got to meet him and shake his hand. He's a real icon of Rolling to Remember, which used to be Rolling Thunder. Wonderful day downtown. We took, on the road here, we took Georgetown Pike through Great Falls, down the GW Parkway, and then parked near the Vietnam Memorial. Not a long ride. I think we took about 40 or so minutes to get there. I had lots of fun. I'll keep the video rolling for everybody. Maybe I'll put on some music for us. Toured some of the monuments, saw the launch and most of the ride go by on Constitution Avenue, downtown DC. It is really a spectacular thing to see all those bikes going down there. Just the patriotism, the solidarity with each other. It's just a wonderful place. And then we rode back. And then met Jimmy's Old Town Tavern, had a band playing and crab legs and ribs and everything going. I don't have any pictures of that, unfortunately, but I do have memories. And it's fun. It was a great day, lots of sun, a little bit of riding, lots of folks, lots of good times. Enjoy the ride.